It's a long rally between these two. Absolutely crucial in the context of the match that come out on top of these kinds of rallies. Simpson doing very well.
Hand out. 7-8.
Well, that is powerful movement by the tall #1 seed.
Hand out.
Flew onto this boast from
12-11.
Simpson, powered
Game
it through.
ball. Down. 13-11, game to Mosaad. And Mosaad leads 1 game to love. Down. Two, 1.
Well, that's the power line from Mosaad. Hit low, huge amount of force, stretching Chris Simpson. Just, oh my goodness me! And there's the other side of the coin, the
3-1.
soft, deft touch from the Colossus from Cairo.
Love the way he opened his racket face on that drop shot into the front on the forehand.
Down.
Well, this is the problem when Mosaad
4-1.
gets on a rhythmic roll. It's like shots are us.
Well, Simpson doing well to steady the ship here after that initial burst from Mosaad to take him into a 4-1 lead.
Well, there's only one place that's going to go. He's got time on the forehand side. He's going to hit it so flat, Mosaad.
10-5, game ball.
So 5 game balls for a 2-love lead for the #1 seed. Oh, it's prolific. It's conceded there by Chris
11-5,
Simpson.
game to
Mosaad is looking
Mosaad leads 2 games to love.
in quite fine form.
Well, Simpson is spending a lot of time in front of Mosaad on the squash court at the moment, and that is resulting in the points that Simpson's rattling off here.
Down. Eight all.
Well, that's a nice finish from Chris Simpson.
11-9, game to Simpson. Mosaad leads 2 games to 1.
It's hard work there for Chris Simpson.
Down.
There it is. Omar Mosaad closes it out. Hard physical battle.
11-7, match to Mosaad.
Simpson playing very well.
3 games to 1.
Very well.
13-11.
73-minute battle and a half. Chris Simpson really testing Mosaad, but Mosaad overcoming the Englishman 13-11, 11-5, 9-11, 11-7. 3 games to 1.